equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. In this video, we will delve into the diagnosis of a non-repairable CPU short in the Surface Pro 5. This issue can be quite complex, so let's break it down step by step. First, ensure you have the right tools at hand. You will need a Torx T5 screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and an anti-static wrist strap to prevent any damage to the internal components. Begin by powering off your Surface Pro 5 and disconnecting it from any power source. Next, using the Torx T5 screwdriver, remove the screws located at the back of the device. There are typically around 10 screws, so keep them organized. Once the screws are out, gently use the plastic spudger to pry open the back cover. Be cautious as there are delicate components inside. As you lift the cover, you may notice some dust accumulation. It's a good idea to clean this out using compressed air, ensuring you don't damage any internal parts. Now, let's focus on the motherboard. Look for any visible signs of damage, such as burnt areas or bulging capacitors. If you spot any, this could indicate a short circuit. However, in many cases, the damage may not be visible. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, which can save you time and effort. Next, check the CPU area for any signs of overheating. You can do this by feeling the heatsink and surrounding components. If they are excessively hot, this could be a sign of a short. To further diagnose, you will need a multimeter. Set it to continuity mode and check the CPU pins for any shorts to ground. If you find continuity where there shouldn't be, this confirms a short circuit. At this point, if you're feeling overwhelmed, don't forget that we provide pickup and delivery at your home. This means you don't have to worry about transporting your device. If the CPU is indeed shorted, it's important to understand that in many cases, this is a non-repairable condition. The cost of replacing the CPU often outweighs the value of the device. However, if you wish to proceed, we can provide a quote before repair, ensuring you know the costs upfront. After diagnosing, if you decide to replace the motherboard, carefully remove it by unscrewing the remaining screws and disconnecting any attached cables. Remember to keep track of where each screw goes, as they can vary in size. Once the motherboard is out, you can replace it with a new one, following the reverse process of installation. Ensure all connections are secure and that you've cleaned any dust from the new components. Finally, reattach the back cover and screws, and power on your device to see if the issue is resolved. If you're still facing problems, consider reaching out for professional help. We are here to assist you with no calls, no travel, making the process as easy as possible for you. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.